All right, crew, today's review will be this 2013 Honda CRV. Are y'all looking for Honda reliability and capability? Check this thing out over here at the Lake Jackson boat ramp. So if you can find the Lake Jackson boat ramp here in Tallahassee, Florida, you can find ALH. We're right up the road. So let's go ahead and start out with the exterior, then we'll hop in the interior, and then we'll take it for a spin. So first things first. Halogen headlights, you got your fog lights down there at the bottom. Nice touches all the way around. Love this color, love this combination. The interior's got like a light beige color, sunroof, all that good stuff. Once again, just want to take you around and let y'all see it. Virtual test drive. Here's your side profile. You guys don't need to worry about these cars that much. Hondas speak for themselves. If you're looking for one, then you know about this. This is a Carfax vehicle as well. We'll have all the paperwork for that, and we'll go from there. Just want to give you a little walk around. What y'all think about that color? What do y'all think about that color? I love it, especially with the interior combination. Anyway, there's your exterior. Y'all hang tight for just a little while longer. We're gonna go ahead and hop in this interior, go over some of the features in there, give you a legroom test in the back seat, and we're gonna keep moving. Y'all hang tight. Thanks for watching. Crew, let's check out the interior. Remember I was talking about this color combination, this nice green with this beige leather. Looks good. Power adjustments, lumbar right there for you. Typical Honda. Easy to read gauges. Nice accommodations here with the seating surfaces. You even got these armrests up here for you. There's your infotainment system with a reverse camera. I'll show you that when we get ready to take it for a test drive. And then check this out. Sunroof, moonroof, whatever you want to call it. Have no fear. This CRV is here. Beautiful looking interior. So here is the rear seat accommodations. You got cup holders right there in the center. You got these WeatherTech mats down there. When I tell you we focus on getting the cleanest vehicles that we can and keep them clean while they're here with us, that's what it's all about. We pride ourselves on reliable, clean vehicles for the Tallahassee and surrounding area. And we're gonna get in here and give it a legroom test. Y'all hang tight. Here we are in the back seat. Here's the accommodations back here. Once again, dual cup holders, 60-40 split seat back here, just in case you need a little bit more cargo area with the seats folded down. Good view lines all the way around. And here is the famous legroom test. Y'all check that out. Look at that legroom. Plenty of room between my knees and the back seat. I'm a tall, slender fella and long legs, of course, and I'm right at home back here. So once again, if you're looking for Honda reliability, capability, usability, check out this vehicle at ALH Automotive. Have the information for the dealership and this vehicle down in the description. Remember the part that I was telling you about earlier about the capability and usability? Here's the cargo area. Plenty of room back there. There's your 60-40 split seat. Got a cargo net over here with some tools. You can actually fold the rear seats down with these pull handles right here on both sides. Nice touches there. WeatherTech out. All you gotta do is pull those out, shake them off, rinse them off, and you are good to go. Y'all hang tight. Quick look at the passenger side of your future ride. Hint, hint. Check it out. Materials, give you a view of the front passenger area. Nice touches. Leather looks really, really good. Wood trim looks really, really good. Yes, yes, yes. All yeses. All right, crew, we're going to take this 2013 Honda CRV out for a virtual test drive. Y'all stay tuned. So first things first, it has a key. With most vehicles going to push button start these days, it's always nice to have a key. Lock, unlock, all that good stuff, panic alarm. Go ahead and throw it in the ignition. The 2.4 liter K-Series motor comes to life. Air conditioning feels really good. You got this infotainment system. It's a smaller infotainment system, but you also have a reverse camera in there as well. Nice touches there. Love the layout of Hondas. The gauges are always really easy to read. They're big, they're bold. The radio controls are easy, they're within reach, no problems there. You got dual zone climate control in here. The front seats are heated. You do have a charging port right here right in front of the cup holders. Pull this back, you got USB port in there, another cigarette lighter, and then you also have an auxiliary port as well. So that's a nice touch in there. Pull that closed. I love these armrests right here, as y'all can see. Makes you feel, I don't know, this makes you feel good. So we look at the dash layout, simple, easy. The view lines forward are very nice. Got this nice wood trim that goes around here. Big glove box. You can lock it. It's got a lock there. You can use the key to lock it. Nice touches there. You just look around, the ambiance. The color selection in here is very nice. You got this dark brown with the beige, and then you got the beautiful green exterior color. You got some tweeters here in the right behind the A-pillars. The A-pillars are a good size. They're not blocking your view. You got curtain airbags there. Side view mirrors are perfectly placed. Rear view mirrors, nice touches there. It's just nice touches all the way around. You got these cup holders right here. Soft touch materials where they need to be. Plenty of room back there in the back seat, as you'll see earlier on in the review. And let's go ahead and take it out for a virtual test drive. And the operation of this K-Series is super smooth. Nice touches all the way around. Once again, this one is available at ALH Automotive, Tallahassee, Florida, the Lake Jackson area. Over here at the Jackson View Landing, my recording spot, right down the road. And like I said, you just can't beat it. This thing is so smooth, man. I tell you. Word of this moment is traffic. Lots of traffic out today, but it's all good. Like I said, just want to give you a virtual test drive of this thing. We'll give you an acceleration test. We'll do a braking test up the road a little bit, U-turn test, just so you can see what the practicality of this vehicle is for day-to-day driving, and see if it fits into your routine. So here we go. So the doors lock once you get rolling. It's a nice feature. Let's check that out. Just the smoothness of this powertrain. These Hondas always impress me with their this solid feel, and this one's no different. Ride height is nice. The view out is nice. Low wind noise, very low road noise. Can't beat it. So we're going to do the brake test right here. All right, here we go. Nice firm brake pedal. Feels good, sheds the speed easily. No fuss, no drama. Nice touches. And we're going to go ahead and do the U-turn test here. And here we go. Turns around easily. A little bit of acceleration. Honda motors opening up. Simple. These Hondas always impress. And like I said, they pretty much speak for themselves. If you're looking into this brand, Hondas, Acuras, all that good stuff, they pretty much speak for themselves. The fact that steering has a nice firm feel to it as well. No extra play, none of that stuff like that. So yeah, nice touches. These CRVs, they don't have a dedicated sport mode, so you just get what you got, and it's enough for day-to-day circumstances. There's another brake test real quick. No drama, no fuss. Press down a little bit harder. No problem there. Here we go, another turn circle test. There's that Honda sound. Just nice touches. So, in conclusion, once again, 2013 Honda CRV speaks for itself. Come check us out today at ALH Automotive in the Lake Jackson area of Tallahassee. Thanks for watching.